Good morning, students. Welcome to all in digital classes announcing by Bhagwati English Academy Shivapuri. And I hope you will enjoy these classes. So today I am making this video for class 5th. Okay, student? And topic is large numbers. Large numbers. Dear students, you know that you have studied in class 4 about the numbers, and also in class 4 you studied which is the smallest number, which is the largest number. These are the very important because where we use the numbers in our daily life. Generally we have used the numbers to when we suppose that when we go to the market we purchase some item. So I think we want to we paid something to shopkeeper, so we have used calculation. Understand? So this is very important. Contain a topic for you how to read the large number and how to write the large number. Okay. Before reading and before the writing the large number, first we understand the concept of numbers. Okay. And you also know that in class 4 you have studied about the natural number. Natural numbers. These numbers are started from 1. This is very important definition of natural number. Yeah, you can say counting from 1. When we start counting from 1 and go to infinite. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 means endless. Infinite. Okay, this is the symbol of infinite. Understand? So, according to natural number, means natural number started from 1. Yeah, when we start the counting from 1 and go to infinite, these numbers are natural numbers. And one more thing, according to the definition, you can make two questions. Which is the smallest natural number? Which is the smallest number? Which is the smallest natural number? Natural number. So according to definition, answer will be 1. Answer will be 1. Okay. And same question and type of second question. Which is the largest natural number? This is very important question. Which is the largest? Which is the largest natural number? Which is the largest natural number? So according to definition, you can write. We can't define. You can say, otherwise you can say infinite. Okay. You can say we can't define. Yeah, you can say not defined. Not defined. Otherwise you can say infinite. Okay. No end. Meaningless. These are the other meanings of this question. Okay. So second question, which is the largest natural number? Answer you can write not defined. So now we are starting our topic large number. So before reading this large numbers, first we want to start from 1. Okay. And this time when we write the counting. Okay. So we have start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Means 1 form is again arises 0. 0 represents the next type of number, that is whole number. Whole number. Definition of whole number is, this is second type of number, whole number. Whole means complete. Understand? So numbers, when we write the counting, okay, yeah, when we write the counting, these numbers are start from 0 and 1, 2, 3 and go through. Yeah, end with infinite. Yeah, no end. Okay. No defined as you can write infinite. So these numbers are whole number. So same question. According to natural number, we can put in whole number also. Which is the smallest whole number and which is the largest whole number. So answer will be different. Okay. So question first. Which is the smallest whole number? So according to definition, we can say 0 is the smallest whole number. And question number second, which is the largest whole number? So according to definition, we can say not defined, otherwise we can say infinite. Understand, sir? Now we write the counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So you know that 1 to 9. 1 to 9, these are one digit number. All the numbers having only one digit. Understand? Okay? But in 10, there are two digits. Okay? And same as again we type in the counting 11 to 20, 21 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, whatever, and go to infinite. In manner we can write. So from 1 to 9, which is the largest number? From 1 to 9. Which is the largest number, which is the smallest? From 1 to 9, yeah, you can say what is the largest one digit number. Yeah, which is the largest one digit number. This is a very important. So write the next form, yeah, write the next solution of these questions. You can write now which is the smallest one digit number. So smallest one digit number is. Next question number third, which is the smallest one digit number? So check again. Start now counting 1 to 9. These are one digit number and you can choose easily which is the smallest one digit number. Okay. So smallest one digit number is, answer will be 1, because that time 0 is not included. Okay? Understand? Next one, question number 4. Which is the largest one digit number? Which is the largest one digit number? So according to counting, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These are one digit numbers. So we can write here largest number is 9. Understand? So smallest one digit number is 1 and largest one digit number is 9. Similarly, you can frame all the numbers. Question number next 5. Which is the smallest two digit number? Smallest two digit number. Yes, then write your answer now, because you know that how to write the counting. Smallest two digit number, so two digit number started from 10. Understand? Two digit number start from 10 and end with 99. Because after the 99, which number comes? 100. 100 has 3 digits. So this is 3 digit number. Understand? So two digit number starts from 10 and end with 99. So here smallest number is 10 and largest number is 99. So answer of smallest two digit number is 10, and question number 6, largest two digit number is which? 99. So similarly you can frame another largest and smallest number, smallest three digit number. Smallest three digit number starts from 100 and end with 999, because after the 999 which number comes? 1000, and 1000 having 4 digits. Understand? So smallest three digit number is 100 and largest three digit number is 99. Similarly you can frame smallest 4 digit number and greatest 4 digit number. Smallest 5 digit number, greatest 5 digit number. So this is these are the important questions for class 5th and also class 4th also. And for next classes, these these are very important. So remember it, write it and note down it properly in your math notebook and frame one by one these questions and write the solution. Okay student, I hope you are getting the point, my points properly. Thank you.